What's up, guys? So there's often a lot of debate on when you need to reinstall Windows. So I'm going to weigh in my 2 cents on this matter. So most often people will agree that it's most necessary to reinstall Windows when you swap out the motherboard, not necessarily the processor. So back when I first started messing with computers a lot, even if I swapped out the processor, I would often reinstall Windows until I found out that actually wasn't really necessary. So recently I tried something different. I did not reinstall Windows, period. I swapped out a motherboard and a CPU and used the same Windows boot drive on that computer, and it worked. I booted up Windows and I checked one thing to see if there would be any issues, and I'm going to show you what that is. So I checked Device Manager. Now this isn't the same computer, but this is where you would go to check for something like this. I went through here and I made sure everything was okay. I think I found one thing that needed a driver update, but I went to display adapters, obviously, DDU, use it anyways. Make sure the graphics card worked, and the CPU, which is right there. And everything checked out. It worked. And to my knowledge, to this day, that computer is absolutely fine. So when is it necessary to wipe Windows? Well, I would still say it's good practice to wipe Windows if you swap out a motherboard, because from what I understand on the internet, there could be issues. But in this particular case, there wasn't. So if you absolutely could not wipe Windows and you were completely redoing a computer, rebuilding it, you could get away with this. Just check here on Device Manager and make sure everything is okay. So, like this video if you like it, dislike it if you dislike it, subscribe if you want more, and I'll check you on the next one.